I'm Angela Hugghins. I'm the owner and lead esthetician at Monarch Brow Facial Studio. I'm also the founder and creator of Cult of Reason Skincare. I wanted to give people something straightforward and effective. So I put together a 3-step program that streamlines the process. These aren't filler products. Every formula is grounded with my 26 years of working one-on-one with clients' skin needs. Grit is the powerhouse exfoliator of the trio. Grit utilizes the power of pumice to gently exfoliate without over-stripping the skin. Grit will leave your skin feeling incredibly smooth. Quench helps fortify the skin's natural moisture barrier by holding water close to the skin. This is your skin's water hydrant. Shield is a skin nutrition oil that helps seal in that water layer, and it acts as the occlusive layer and the final step in the Cult of Reason skincare line. Cult of Reason is skincare without the noise. It's clean, it's effective, it's simple.